Want to turn on low power mode on your iPhone? Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show 2 methods to save your iPhone's battery life. So let's watch the video till the end. Please keep in mind that turning on low power mode on the iPhone stops some background activities, reduces the visual effects, and makes the battery last longer. It also turns off the always on display automatically. The first way is to use Settings app. Let's hop into the Settings app on your iPhone. On this screen, look at the battery setting, which appears below the personal hotspot. I tap on battery. Then turn on the trigger next to low power mode. As you can see on my iPhone, the battery icon turns yellow when low power mode is enabled. Okay, that's it. Friends, you can also use an alternative method, which is using Control Center. Swipe down from the upper right corner to open the Control Center. Tap on the battery icon to enable low power mode. If you don't see it, you need to add it manually. To do so, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of the Control Center. Then, click on the Add a Control button at the bottom. After that, swipe up and find the battery icon or type low power mode in the search control box. Tap on it to add to the Control Center. And tap on the blank space to exit the edit mode. So you can see the low power mode shortcut on my Control Center. Now you can click the battery icon to turn on or off low power mode. Alternatively, use the Siri command to turn on low power mode. Press and hold the side power button to activate Siri. Then, simply say, "Hey Siri, turn on low power mode," and wait for a while. Siri will do its job. You can see on my screen that Siri enabled low power mode. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.